In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable dynamic checkout buttons, sometimes referred to as accelerated checkout buttons, on your Shopify product pages. These buttons, such as Buy It Now or Quick Pay, can revolutionize how your customers shop by allowing them to bypass the cart and proceed directly to the checkout using popular payment methods like PayPal, Apple Pay, or Shop Pay. So, without further ado, let's dive right into how you can set this up on your Shopify store. First things first, you'll need to log into your Shopify admin. This is your control center, where all the magic happens. Next, head over to the Online Store section on the left-hand side of the screen, and from there, click on Themes. This area is where you can customize the look and feel of your storefront. Now, you'll want to locate your active theme. This is the template your current store is built on. Once you've found it, there should be a button that says Customize. Go ahead and click that. It will take you into the theme editor, a powerful tool where you can fine-tune different aspects of your store to match your brand identity and improve the shopping experience for your visitors. Once inside the theme editor, take a look at the top of the page. You'll see a drop-down menu. This is your page selector. Click it and navigate to product pages. Sometimes you might find this under other categories like templates, followed by products, and then default product, depending on how your theme is structured. Simply ensure you're working within the product pages section. Now, on the left sidebar of the theme editor, look for the section dedicated to product information. This could be labeled something straightforward like product information. Within this section, you should see a block or a setting devoted to your buttons. Look for headings like Buy Buttons or Add to Cart, Buy Now. This is exactly where you want to be. You're almost there. Somewhere within these settings, you should see an option for Show Accelerated Checkout Buttons or Show Dynamic Checkout Buttons. It's usually a toggle switch or a checkbox. Flip that switch or tick that box to enable the feature. Don't forget the final but crucial step. Save your changes. You'll find a Save button, typically in the top right corner of the theme editor. Click it, and your setup will be complete. By following these steps, you're not just enabling a new feature. You're enhancing the overall shopping experience for your customers, making it smoother and quicker for them to purchase your products right away. Enjoy the benefits of streamlined shopping and watch your conversion rates transform as a result. Thanks for tuning in and happy selling on Shopify.